The key to a great meal is keeping it warm so that you can enjoy it at your leisure.
Introducing the amazing chafing dish. In this video, I'll show you how to put a chafing dish together and how to use it to keep your food warm for hours. The pace is pretty quick though, so at the end there'll be a screen with the instructions. Feel free to pause there so you can read them. Chafing dishes are used predominantly at parties, holidays, and events of all kinds to keep large amounts of food warm and food safe for hours. These ones from Amazon are particularly elegant, smooth, and easy to clean. This set comes with everything you need except the fuel. Just head to Amazon or your local store and search for chafing fuel. I wanted to show you guys the whole experience, so here I am about to enjoy every last hot bite of this late night breakfast. Sweet alone time. Bon appetit!